Hey Bassies, Jacob Wheeler here. First day of the FLW Tour Major on Grand Lake. Really excited to get out here on the water. Practice sort of went really good. Caught a lot of fish, but it seemed like it was tough to get a lot of the bigger bites, and it really patterned those bigger bites. There's a lot of 2.5 pounders in this lake. The water came up during practice and continued to rise during practice, and during our day off, it's came down a foot. So the conditions really have changed. So we're gonna have to make a lot of adjustments throughout the day for sure. Fly by the seat of our pants. I got about 12, 13 rods in the front of the deck, and just ready to throw any of them at any time. So that's super important. You're gonna see a lot of guys who's coming to this event. You really felt like this event was gonna be a deep fishing, tournament. You're fishing out deep, off the points, and stuff like that, and it still might. But the conditions have not really called for that. The water, since it's come up, it's muddied up also, and it makes for those fish out there deeper harder to catch. And that's what I've felt like. So I'm gonna probably stick to the shallow water game, do what I do best and what I love to do, and go up there and just put my trolling motor down and try to make the adjustments I need to. So make sure to check in at 2:30 Central Time. We're gonna weigh in and make sure to check on FLWOutdoors.com and see how we do. See you guys.